Not taking width into account. Oh, bugger. Right, okay. So, what's that on credit? Sub UI. Sub UI. Why have I got nothing on my headphones? How's that? That should be better. Oh, yes. There we go. Fixed it. Right, let's put these in horizontal boxes. Horizontal. No, don't do that. Now the question is, actually, is that going to be a good idea? Okay, so
I need to know what you want from me, 'cause all you give me is promises. You gotta
I'm actually wondering if I make my life easier and just put everything in the one box and just have it drag out. Box there. So that hasn't turned out okay, so that's going to need a toolbox again. But box,
I need to know what you want from me.
Boom. Okay,
'Cause all you give me is promises. You gotta give me your mind, body, and soul. 'Cause I ain't
should be
taking
able to go
nothing
fill.
less. Oh, no.
Text. Ah, yeah, because the translation's off, isn't it? Translation's off.
I need to know what you want from me. 'Cause all you give me is promises. You gotta give me your mind, body, and soul. 'Cause I ain't taking nothing less. Oh, no.
I take. What's this one? Fill. Bingo. So let's play in the game. 15 days. Let's change that into picture. That's okay. So
I need to know what you want from me. 'Cause all you give me is promises. You gotta give me your mind, body, and soul. 'Cause I ain't taking nothing less. Oh, no.
I can't have text moving up above. Right, let's have a look. Event graph. I actually do translate it. Okay, so let's just turn that off, turn that off, turn that off. Normal balls. Okay, so Yes. Image overlay there. New color. Tint. It's tint. Oh, yeah. Border. Content is brush color. No, because I need white text. Black background. Now that means that I'll disable opacity. Opacity. Where have I got opacity coming in? Opacity. Actually, no, I'm sure I put opacity. Did I put opacity? Credits, start content, yeah. I don't need opacity to change. And you're still over, but I need you to be under. Change that index here. Really? It's as simple as that. Yes! There we go! Simple, simple, simple. So, credits. What am I having for credits? Thanks for playing. Information. Ah, that's the wrong stats from thingy. Fix that. Okay. Epic Games. So why are you kicking me? Don't you? Library. Okay, so in my library, where is? Do you know what? I'm gonna be good. Paddy, 20, yep. What's the other one? fix that later. Right, fix that later. Okay. No, don't delete it. I just need wait. So there. Just check that fits. Do 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 do. Do, 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 do. Okay, that's fine. Positional. Yeah. Oh no, I don't want that. Event graph. Event graph. Comments 2. Translation x0. You'll do for a momento. Okay, so I now need to work out the I need to work out this common center. Okay, translation X. That's how we get that divided by 2. No, because position X is going to be that size X. Ah, size X. Yes. Size X. Is that going to affect the scale? No, that's not going to affect the scale. That's going to affect... slot. I'm just going to affect this slot. Select slot position. See, it's off center. So, game on your wish list is on sale on. Yeah, it's still too much though. Absolutely not. Okay. slot size. Get self. Get reference to self. Yeah. That edge geometry. Get local size. Break it. That's divided by 2. text is wrap text at there, and we are just going to say yeah. Text now. Okay, text now can play.
Born from the ashes, I take care of my own. Torn down where I stand, you can't suffocate my spirit. 'Cause I'm the king on my own throne, my own throne. King on my own throne, my own throne. You'll never see me fall, fall. You'll never see me fall. Watch me reign, and I'll slay them all. Slay them all, slay them all. You'll never see me reign, and I'll slay them all. Slay them all, slay them all. You'll never see the throne.
Okay, so I have that, I have that, I have that. Let's go for
Born from the ashes, 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 born from the. You can't suffocate my spirit. 'Cause I'm the king on my own throne, throne, oh, oh, oh. King on my own throne, my own throne. You'll never see me fall, fall. You'll never see me fall. Watch me reign, and I'll slay them all. Slay them all, slay them all. You'll never
Horizontal, but that needs to be a vertical. Image. Stick it above that, stick it above that. Let's go. You're just not wanting to. Oh. Right. Oof. On 2 by 200. Switch. I am sure that's going to be these pixels into 171. And that's because I'm an idiot. Right, 512. Padding, we want 50. Yes. Alright, so I've got that, but now I've screwed it up somehow. Right, now, okay, I need to make a note that I need to fix all of that. So, bar, test. What sound effects in the game? It's silent. Change all. Focus on all eye to ensure fill and center modes work. Perfect. that translates. It's awesome. Except for my camera died. Okay, right. Come on. You know you want to. Right, so credits I need to. Okay, so that's like as well. Okay, so let's change process. I need to hide the level stats. But I also need to
As far as I can go, rest assured the way will lead me far from home. Sail this world, the water beneath me is so clean, it's so neat, it's so pristine, splashing over me. Let's sail this world, the water
how can I detect when
is so clean, it's so neat, it's so
credits are finished?
splashing over me.
Horizontal box. I need a horizontal box for that because that's now doing my box. Oof. That's not going to work. That's not going to work. Maybe that box. Vertical box. Or instead, and we can you, then you, then no, then credits, 15 days. Oof. Overall, onto you, onto you. It's okay. Buttoned. Text moments. I need to make this look a bit sexier. actually no. Menu.
I was trying to look back. I'm just trying to
Menu.
move in the shadows. Yesterday, tomorrow. I'm searching for a way. I can't tell the difference between you, between me, and search for an answer. I can't tell the truth, even though it takes courage to capture a dancer. The things I fear the
Have
most.
credits. They come
Between
through.
you,
That goes
between me,
up.
and search for an answer. Sure to die away, even though it takes courage to
How can I
capture
work
a
out?
dancer.
The position for the end. Do, 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 do. No, equals.
I wake up feeling broken. I get up and I lose my devotion. I never stepped astray, but now I lost my way. I can't tell the difference between you, between me, and search for an answer. I can't tell the truth, even though it takes courage to capture a dancer. The things I fear
Get
the
in
most.
instance.
Between you, between me, and
Plus
search for
two.
an answer. Sure to die away, even though it takes courage to capture a dancer.
Wait until the end. Set true. Actually, I don't know why I'm doing that because. Do 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 do. Oh yeah, because then I can run it straight through single, and then I can say so wait till the end again. It is gonna be but I need to not override it. EDM. What I chose something else. Okay, so what was it? Oh, come. Wait till end of game. Now we have to achievements. No, I don't want that one. I don't want that one. I need destruct. I need destruct. Okay, so sort credits. Right, how rude. Didn't watch the credits. Oh, and should I do it for each level? Should I do it for each thing? Nah, because that's just a fun one. It's just a fun one. So. Excuse me, right. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. I suppose I could say. Oh, I'm not saying save game. Save game. So I need to save game. Save? Yeah, save game. Add. Saw the credits. And how rude. Okay. Those mini achievements, many fun achievements. I said achievements, sword credits, if the end is true, push you to true. Push you to true, but then that, and I did that, and I did that, and then I said yes, push you to false. Ah, but I never wanted to do once. Okay. How can I do that? That's the question, is how can I do that? And that I think that should be okay. No, because I'm going to need to check. Check the save game status as well. Fuck up. Credits. Get credits. Bingo. Now let's go here. So we're going to say if you're I'm true, but if I'm false, actually both outcomes will give me a true. Shouldn't it? Yeah, because I'm going to say, well, okay, so I've just been made true. So yes, true. If the save game is false, I can watch the credits and go do that. Okay, so if you come true, but if you're false, don't do anything. Don't do anything. Oh, rude. Right, so now if I said how rude. So add a sequence in, because this will, I can then run dual actions. Oof. Well, yeah, you do you, check those two, run those. I need to tidy this up as well. That's okay at the minute. Okay, so I'm going to say how rude, yep. How set. Get how rude. Now we do that. We do that. So if you're now true, then you check that, and you go that, and save that. Then I want to change the value to that. Change that to a function, let's tidy the system on. Check if credits were watched were through. I need another date. I need another date. It's not going to be as simple as that. this one. Checks if the credits was skipped. Set achievements. Saw the credits, how rude. Okay. That is get PDA achievement data, which means this must be set. Yes, it is. Okay. That's good. Okay. So I've pushed all of those, pushed all of those, pushed all of those. Come on. Oh no, I have a problem, don't I? Eventcraft, because you're... Oh, that saved my game. No, so that should be fine. That should be fine, because there was save, that and that. Okay. And you update the audio. That's fine. Now. Credits. Yes. That's you. That's you. I need to do a game check. That's what I need to do. PDA. Let's get a game check. Refresh variables. So just easier. PDA, achievements. 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 Compile it, so that gives me the actual data asset, and we say get that. Now, break achievements, because I just need the counters. So no, 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 no. Yes, no, no. Greater than 0. Yes. Four. Is that. So they come in and they say, well, yeah, okay, you're true. You're true. You're true. One of those is true. You're fine. You're false. Oh no, that's not right. No, that is right. That is right. Pressed. So I need to set the button. It is not greater than 0, but because I did that. Did that. Create widget. Ah, no. End game. This would be actually end game. Should be get how rude. And get how rude is false. If get how rude is false, then I can prove set how rude. It's true. I watch till the end. How rude is. I think this is what I need to do. So I didn't watch. So I did watch till the end. So how rude was false. No, I don't need it to do anything. So if it's greater than 0, yeah, I can say, well, how rude is false. I can say it's true. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Ah, bonjour. Okay. Do, 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 do. So I come through, blah, 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 but if credits, I can just end game it. I can just end game it, doesn't matter. Just in case it accidentally dies with no jump. We can say, well, yes, if how rude is false, say it's true, if they skipped. So, checks if the game has been played before. If it has, then work out if it has, then oh no, I need to get watch till the end. Get. If it's been played before, but credits have not finished, then set how rude. So find achievement. Pending comments, pending not needed, and text is inside vertical box, so flows of 1. Alright, designer. Now I need to work out how far we need to get this to go up. can't do greater than 1080, can I? That's interesting. Okay, so if I get the height of that, where's the height? Okay, so offset bottom. So if I said offset bottom, vertical 320. Is that the one I'm using? Yeah, vertical 320. Yeah. So I'm saying that. So size vertical X. Current live translation as a float. That's going to be you. And then say, well, current translation. I need it off the X. I need it off X. X. So that's the current size. So that's no, it's not. Come on, maths. This isn't hard to do. And so if current y equals to greater than, or is it less? Oh no, it is get self. Get self. Get local cache. Get cache geometry. Get size. Get local size. Break. Y. Get font. Screen. Actually, shall I put that at the start? Put that at the start of the process. Y1 is going to be actual screen. Right, hopefully. Actual screen height. Finished credits. Finished yet. Let's put that as red. Let's put that as green. So that's there, that's there, that's there, that's there, that's there. Play normal. So let's fix. Hi Nemexi, how are you? Oh, you one of them, are you? Absolutely not. Where's my bot list? Streaming tools, settings, stream channel name. Not finished. So does that mean oh, I think Prince Stream. I bet that just says 1920 to 1920. George. Of course it does. Love. Of course it does. So, current wine. Current position. Calculator. So if I said 385, subtract 10, let's call it 1100. It's minus 715. Minus 715. No, that's wrong, isn't it? So. So we're saying translation height, so 385, 385, subtract 100. Minus 515. Yep, so that's precisely half the height. So 450. So if I then said minus 450, 965 minus 965 is it's not that at all, you idiot. Hang on, right. Because I want... So thinking of it is. Thinking what the maths is. So, on the current, it's a load of maths. Sorry, I want current Y translation. Current Y translation. I'm checking. Comments. This is current location on screen. Then I want actual screen height. And master height. Vertical height. Get that, add that. So I'm saying 1080, add 900. So that makes it close to that. So let's add 200 for space. 200 for space, 100 for space. Subtract 10, 80, 1595. 1595 minus 1595. What if I said 1080 times 2? Or I just say whatever my screen height is times 2, 2160. It's 2160. Because where's 0? I need to, okay, half it. So actual screen height, da, 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 da. Then I need to do that divided by 2, add that, add 200 for, no, 2000, no, 200 for space. So hopefully at some point this should switch. I think it's supposed to be less than rather than more than. So 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Ah. Why is current location let's try this. Do, 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 do. Aha, there we go. It's going the wrong way. So it's showing up as a minus something or other, so do I want it that way? Well, it's never going to get to 382, is it? Because I'm subtracting. Let's see if 3182 is above the height. Way too long. Way too long. Actual screen height is, that's 1080p. Vertical size box is Y. That's 900. So you're flipped. It's not planned, is it? Nope, 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 nope. Hearts home. Too float. Compare those two. I'm your beans. Nice. Oh, it's fine. Hey, Fox loves. Hi, Fox loves you. How you doing? I love it. I love it. I'm positive. Positive is 385. Do that, do that, do that. Mental gymnastics. Oh god, yeah. Fun times. It's going down. It's not. That's not right. That's not right. Oh, what the end game on the thing? Let me have a look, because it's quite smooth on my machine, so it might just be the fact that it's I might be streaming the game at 1 frame rate, but OBS is recording at another. So it could be my game's running at 60 FPS, but my stream is at 30, or the other way around. Let me play it. Can I get that into expanded view? Yeah, OBS, the streaming's picking up a picking up the jitter way more than the what's on screen. So I've probably got to just recalculate how much I'm doing, moving the vertical box as I'm doing the calculation. Could be. I'll have a look at Lerp in a minute. Maybe. But I did might just get it. To deliver and 2.268. Now I'll have a look at level a bit more in a minute. Okay, so compare the values because I want to know current position is current position. Achievement system. Subtract. No, because it's going to be 0. Multiplied by 2. Calculator. 0260. 1080 subtract. Tell me what that answer is. You're the same, because you're being an idiot. Come on. So I'm slightly tired as well, which doesn't help. Basically, I want to call, I need to update a variable or a bool to say that let me start again. What am I doing? I need to calculate the comparison between the screen height and where the credits are to work out whether the credits have finished or not. To then jump to the next screen. And I'm probably overthinking the maths on it. So realistically, so at the moment the credits are starting off screen and then they're coming off the translation at the moment 365 and then coming up. Whoa, 225. So when they're around here somewhere off screen, yeah, I want to switch over to the automatically switch over. A collision detection. How'd you do that? Collision detection. Yeah, I suppose I could do actually, that would be sensible. Scroll box. And then have the scroll box like that. Oh, that might work. Might work. Scroll box. Scroll box. Yep. Zero. put pads, anchors of 5-minute rotation, padding. So, scroll boxes. And from there's enough room. Vertical box at the top. Oh, I need to turn the code off. Need to turn the code off the animation. Don't need it. Don't need it. I want to see. I want to see. Scrollbox visible. Scroll possible. Always. What's the scrollbox doing right now? Align it to the bottom. Push that to the top for a minute because there's nothing else in it. So let's put a canvas on top. Get in there. Vertical box. Need to fit to alignment. Don't need to fit to alignment. Always show scroll bar. Always show scroll bar for a minute. Always show scroll bar for a minute. Push to the bottom. Push to the bottom. Push to the bottom. Oh, do you have to program scroll? Left to right, don't need play control. It is. It's only 18. I might even just shrink it. Remind me how Scrollbox works. Yeah. Scroll box works like that again. That's okay. Pad for 2 times screen height. Padding, scroll bar, margin around the scroll bar? Margin around the scroll bar? Is that the one? Oh, navigation scroll padding. Oh, okay. 2160. Let's just put 2160 for a minute. Is that the value? No, that's not the one. That ain't the one. Pad the contents of pad the contents, yeah, okay. Pad the contents. So top. $1080. Yes, that would be a smart answer. That would be a smart solution. Okay. Now pad the bottom as well. Pad the bottom. Pad the bottom. Why pad the bottom as well? Oh, yes, okay. Yeah. Comes through and it goes like that. Oh, thank you very much. That made it seem too simple. I knew I was overthinking it. Oh my god. Okay, so now. Okay, so can we adjust scroll box? Because that's the manual way of doing it. Should be able to do that in Blueprint in case user with the scroll position. So now we've done. Yes. That's the plan. Okay. Yeah, I try to. My brain just doesn't always let me. Oh my god, it's 11:30. Okay, I need to go to bed actually. Right, so let's make some big fat notes. Okay, so I need to. What do I need to do? I need to check for screen. Whereas, actually no. Use the scroll bar. Way easier. Okay, use the scroll bar. Skrill? The hell's the Skrill? Actually, wasn't there a character in a TV show? The Skrill. Okay, so detect screen height. height, pad top and bottom of the actual padding of padding of the vertical box. Padding of the master vertical box. Has it really gone completely out of thing? I started with something, I think, on on my Instagram, or no, on YouTube. Yeah, in YouTube, there is an original video. If you want to see where the project was for starters to where it is now, it's completely different. I mean, it's gone through the level design. I've gone through like 12 stages of level design, if not more. Level design has been absolutely killer for me. And then, yeah, just became unwieldy after that. Yeah, because I started off with the traditional, like being in a normal top-down tower defense game, which kind of like being in first-person mode, but I didn't like the amount of traveling that I had to do. Then I changed it for something with a load of doors, and the user had to close doors to stop the enemy coming through the doors, through into the corridor, which then cancelled out like the enemy spawning. And then yeah, hated that, but might bring that back. Then what else is it? Yeah, then I did something else. I think so. I put some textures in a couple of levels, and I just went, "Oh my god, they just look horrible." Yeah. This is kind of my first game. It's been one hell of an experience. I've had one of my game saves completely crashed Unreal Engine, and even destroyed part of my game. So I even ended up, I was about 90% of the way through the game build before it died, and I couldn't save it. Even the backups wouldn't save. But yeah, it's been an experience. Version 2 of the whole rewrite of the game has been a lot better than version 1. But I've learnt a lot. Yeah, it's always good to reverse engineer games, get some ideas, see what's going on. Most games kind of copy each other on a similar level with functionality. And then it's just a case of putting a new spin on that same process. There's an old saying, what's the old saying? Especially when you're trying to learn or build something new, build a copy of what you already know works. So basically just take something old, like what you're doing, and try and replicate it so that you have somewhere from going from 0 to finding the end result and doing it all on the fly, and it works really well. Oh, nice. Game server running on the original hardware. Now you're getting to working. And PSP. That's PlayStation Portable. Jeez, let's go on. PSP emulator. Yeah. That's good. That's really good. That's impressive. think that was the one console I never really had, was the PlayStation Portable. I did start off being a PlayStation person, but then then it died off, and then I went across to Xbox. Soon enough, you won't need to. Yeah. Master box, the text screen height, add top and bottom master vertical box to the same height as screen. Yeah, I mean, everything's going to be online. Who knows what's going to happen? Technology is changing. Even in my job, I'm seeing technology change and the usage of how game engines and development cycles are changing. The biggest problem with the technology is the fact that, well, there's two things with technology that I'm finding is, one, the technology is changing at a rapid rate. The other one is the fact that, now, I'm not being disrespectful to managers and product owners and stuff like that, but they don't always see, they're stuck in some of the older ways of thinking, and they're not looking too far outside the box and seeing what's possible. They're staying within the realms of what they think is a safe bet. VR is a good example. I mean, VR itself as a principle and technology is like 15, 20 years old, but it's only really in the last 8 years really come to bounds and coming to fruition. But the problem you have is the people who are running management aren't, the people in management, it is kind of a gimmick, but some of it's just people not looking outside the scope of the box, and they're just going, oh well, we don't need it. I mean, look at some of Apple's use cases, like bringing dual screen. As much as I'm not a big Apple fan, but it's like having multiple screens in the VR headset rather than having multiple digital screens. But equally, that comes with like usability in the tool, like in the headset, and how clear information is on screen, and being able to sit in that environment. But it's also about like the information that's coming through from the end user and being translated to the final user, just not the final user, the developer, isn't coming through because the developer doesn't understand the workings of how the customer actually wants to use the tooling. And I've seen this quite a lot. And one of the things I've started promoting for some of my teams is, instead of just like talking through them and going, I want this function, it's like, I want them to use the tool, how the customer uses the tool, so they can actually see why the tool is being used in a particular way, so they can then understand the blockers and the pitfalls. And it's very much the same with VR. It's like, it's looking over those little hurdles and being able to think outside the box of what you can do traditionally, whereas most people look at, you've only got this with a traditional desktop. It's like, you've got this rectangular screen in front of you that you can only do something with, whereas with VR you have the whole world and the whole environment that you can then utilize. It's great. It's a great thing. It's interesting watching technology grow. The text and screen height, pad top and bottom of the master vertical box to the same height as the screen. Then to control Screen. I need to really sign off because it's like 20 to 12, 20 to midnight. Then to control screen movement, detect, scroll, control the scroll positioning. From 0 down to max resolution. Bottom of scroll. Right, I think that is it. Actually, is the song still playing? Do you know what? There's 1 minute left on this song and then I'll sign off. Thank you very much, Fox, for giving me help with getting that decision made on the scroll box. I probably would have. I probably would have done it at work and then just gone, oh my god, because I'm building something in Unreal Engine at work as well. So, thing is, I've done that same principle in HTML as well. That's a really lame thing. Oh, fun times. Why didn't I think? See, it's like thinking about two different technologies, but they both do, in principle, do the same thing. Scrollbox is a scrollbox. Right, save all. Is that a new one? That's a new song. Okay. Right, once again, thank you very much. I am going to sign off because we're now on a new song. So, yeah, thank you very much. And I shall catch you next time. I might be back tomorrow night, actually, about 9 PM UK time. I usually stream till 9 PM till 11 PM UK. Toodaloo.